Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the language in Windows 11. For this example, I'll be setting it to Spanish. Let's get started. Click on the Windows Start button at the bottom of your screen. From the menu that appears, select Settings. In the Settings window, locate and click on Time and Language from the left-hand menu. Then navigate to Language and Region. If Spanish is already listed as an available language, select it. If not, click on the Add Language button, typically displayed in blue. Use the search bar to type Spanish, then select and add it. If a language pack is required, make sure to download it. Once Spanish appears in your list, click on the drop-down menu in the top right corner to select it as the default language. Confirm your selection by clicking on the appropriate button. Keep in mind that you will be prompted to sign out and sign back in. After signing back in, your computer will now be set to Spanish. And that's it. Now you know how to change the language on your PC.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.